Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, Garth Gale, has announced a new partnership with global energy drink Red Bull. The announcement was made at a recent press conference at the J3 headquarters. Gale says this collaboration is aimed at supporting Jamaica's under-20 and under-17 track and field teams heading into the Carifta Games later this month.
This partnership will allow the J3s to provide an holistic development program so that our athletes and officials and team management will be able to perform at their optimum while representing Jamaica.
Gale gave details on the collaboration.
Physiotherapy, strength and conditioning, performance assessment, medical services, rehabilitation programs.
The Carifta Games is set to run from April 19 to 21 in Trinidad and Tobago. Tivoli Gardens will be seeking to solidify their playoff spot when they face defending champions Cavaliers. 4 matches are scheduled for the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League today. Tivoli occupy the final spot in 6th position on 46 points, 3 behind their opponents Cavaliers in 5th position. Also at 3:30, second place Arnett Gardens will face relegated threatened Humber Lion. The Junglists are in second on 66 points, while Humber Lion is just above the relegation zone by a superior goal difference. Dumbo Holding will be looking to get their first win since February when they host Chapelton Maroons. The Clarendon-based team is in 9th place on 33 points, while Chapelton Maroons are in 11th on 30 points. Meanwhile, in the 6 p.m. kickoff at the Jerusalem Mini Stadium, Waterhouse play Montego Bay United. And finally, the United Kingdom is set to host the 2035 Women's World Cup as the sole valid bidder for the tournament. FIFA President Gianni Infantino has disclosed England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland submitted a joint expression of interest in March to hold the World Cup across the home nations. Under FIFA rotation rules, the tournament must be in Europe or Africa. Spain's Federation President Rafael Lozan said last week that they were working on a joint bid alongside Portugal and Morocco. However, the deadline for expressions of interest passed on Monday, and Infantino says the UK's bid is the only one received for 2035, while the United States are set to host the 2031 edition. Infantino also confirmed that the 2031 Women's World Cup will be a 48-team tournament, up from 32 in 2027. Should the UK's bid be confirmed, the 2035 Women's World Cup will be the second time a World Cup has been held in the home nations after the 1966 men's tournament in England. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.